Hey guys, NIC here with another daily recap. So it's a slow Monday today. Really slow, not much movement. Although there's gappers and stuff, but there's actually not much movement. And it's a red day for me to start off the week. Last week, I think throughout the week, some green and red days. It was a red week in general, and I think that got into my head, like me trying my best wanting to get back the rates, which is bad, clouding my judgment and stuff. So it's Monday, and so I'm actually extremely cautious on Monday. Plus, I just came from a red week, so that's two factors to make me extremely cautious. So I played very small today, and when I took an L, I just choose to stay away. I actually stopped at 10, went to do some other stuff, so I'm only doing the recap now. And from the looks of it, thank God I did walk away at 10. So yeah, I just start off. TRCH was the leading gapper. At that time, I think it was the second leading gapper. This was probably my only good move today. Into the open. I see as it crossed this resistance added here. No, actually, over it gap up. Then the second candle it came down, so I added here, sort of here. This gave me a really nice green move. I think I did one more trade at pre-market, so in total these two trades made me green. I was thinking like, okay, maybe I should just walk away from market. But because of last week being red, so I stayed longer trying to get more profit, so I have to pay for it. I was seeing other tickers, like forget which ticker I was on. So as I see TRCH is making a move, I think I came in after this candle. So this first minute candle to make a new high, I should be adding here no matter which amount it is. This is the candle to add at. But I thought it could not hold these two resistance. One you can see is this from pre-market. So yeah, it did cross out very fast. So I'm like, okay, can you even hold? I'm very skeptical because the other tickers are doing bad. So too cautious in a way. And then too foolish, I guess. I FOMO added here. I added at here, yeah. So second candle it fits, then I know something is not wrong. I mean something is not right. This could be the top already, like it's very overextended. If I added here, it would be a different story. But yeah, I added here, so I sort of here, which thankfully I did. So secondly, it came down. So I was thinking, okay, maybe this is the pullback. I added here, played very tightly, sort of here. Glad that I played tightly, which is good. So after that, I added here again. I actually see that it respect the 50 as EMA. So I thought maybe I could add in here and see how it goes. The worst case scenario, I risk off that, which yeah, for no reason it was holding nicely. Like as you can see, the bottom tail, which should be very bullish. So I guess that here all the bears came into attack. So I sort of here, thankfully, because yeah, it went to shit. This the first one. So yeah, daily doesn't look too good also. So probably will not be looking at this anymore. AEI was the second one. I think I played at the pre-market, added here, sort of some here, then for no reason I think it just got knife, so not really knife, like stop the momentum. So got here, sort of here, sort of here. This made me surprisingly a small tiny rate, almost break even. However, there was the trade for TRCH at the open, which made me green. And then yeah, added here thinking it could bounce off this EMA. Just as in I see that there's two EMA here could be supporting it, so I added here. Same thing, but I guess it couldn't cross the 50 EMA. Same thing as TRCH, like So holding, I think the undeciding factor and it being a Monday, everyone is more, how do I say, more trigger happy. So they are more afraid, all the bulls are more afraid since it's Monday and it's choppy and the market is pretty bad. Not really pretty bad, the market is really red today. So I think it's a descending trend, so maybe they all chicken out, and I felt like it doesn't make sense, so it should go at around here. Like after this doji, it should go at least maybe near the VWAP and come down, and that's still okay. But it did not, so I know this is super bearish. So I immediately sold around here, like I think it was 71 or something, and then it just went to shit. Like it went down, but yeah, now it's trying for build up again. Could potentially be a good move, but I got stopped out by my rules already. I think I lost 3 in a row, so, and I also gave back half of my profit, which actually is more than half. I was small, I had a small green, but now it was red. So yeah, basically 2 rules I got stopped out. I could not play anymore, even though like I'm only down 1 or 2% of my account. So yeah, the FOMO factor is strong. Like, this could potentially be something. Yeah, so never mind. Discipline. MNOV was another trade. I think this was a chase. I think I chased this. Actually, most of the trades today I chased, because the whole market is moving sideways. If not, it's moving down. It's really quiet, really slow. So I've been trying to find a move up, down, left, right. I couldn't. And when some tickers move off, even not at the best scenario, I took in. So yeah, it's like this. I see it's trying to make a curl, so I added here. See if we could break the previous resistance, which it didn't. Which became the previous support became a resistance, which it didn't cross, and it just fades off. So that's why I sold off here. So yeah, that's how the market is today. Most of it is going sideways, and I kind of chase most of the trades, which is very poor. I mean, yeah, in the market you can win money, you can also lose money. However, in this case, I lost a small red day for me. And yeah, this is the thing. If I'm more disciplined, I believe I can make more money off all this. These days like this, I walk off early, which help reduce my red days. But it's cause of chasing trades like this. I think just now was AEI or was it TRCH? I did chase also. So yeah, this is the same thing. This is the candle that I should add, not this. So I chase here, which is in a way overextended, is more risk. And if it doesn't break here, it's gonna fade. So yeah, the AMC started strong, fade off. The rest, yeah, as you can see, the market is pretty red. AMS is at 269, 229, 1. Yeah, basically the market is super red. So I'm glad I walk off at 10. And if the market did decide to pop back up, then yeah, you just have to go without me. You might feel like I'm leaving money on the table, but in a way, it could also make me more red. So stick to my rules, and there's always tomorrow. So yeah, that's all for today. Hopefully this rate cap can help you guys here and there a little. And I know there isn't really much viewers, but it really helps the channel a lot if let's say you guys can like, share, and also drop a comment, as it will help with the algorithm to let YouTube know that at least someone is watching it. So yeah, that's all for today's recap. I hope you guys did way better than me today. It's Monday, so trade carefully. Okay, as always, stay safe, trade safe, bye.